All right, where can I get to the Wawata? Man, you gotta be shitting me. This is where we're launching from? Man, there better be a goddamn 13-pounder out here. Get all the goods down there. Good question moving forward for these kind of things is asking people that recommend spots, hey, do I gotta walk in the fucking water to get out there or what? Oh, yay. What do you look like swimming? I like that. I like that a lot. Let's do that. That thing you're doing, let's keep that up. I have no idea how the hell I'm going to get a hook and a fish with this though, because he's really going to have to annihilate the piss out of it. Trying to keep it out of this slop, and out of 2 attempts so far, no dice. We're doing a live action PowerPoint presentation today. All right, I gotta reset this because I am not gonna do this every single time. What was that? That was a bite. Oh, shit, is he on? Oh, what the fuck, man? Shit, bitch ass, god damn it. God damn it, that was a fish. Shit, damn it, god damn it, family friendly. Fuck. What the hell? That was the wussiest bite ever. You suck, fish. That was a bullshit bite.
Said family friendly, haha.
My goddamn ass. Are you shitting me? That was a bullshit bite.
Mouth dropper. Said lol lol.
Bullshit bite, bro. Absolute bullshit bite. Everything that doesn't feel normal is getting the hook set on it today. I'm gonna be so damn pissed if that thing from earlier is the only level of action for today. I don't think that's the case because we got some different options on the menu, but I'm not gonna be a thrilled person. The fish here don't know how to bite a swim bait. So I had one half-ass it, like right over there, and it grabbed it and then it swam at me, so I never got a hook set.
Yeah, they do that here.
I don't like that shit. I got a drop shot, so I'm gonna slow it down here shortly. Did you know you can catch flies with honey, but you can catch more honeys by being fly? Okay. You're probably gonna break your pedal drive in that shallow water, you know that. Okay. Only the best guides tell you to shut your mouth when you're talking to them. Looking for some prime time pre-spawn fish, ready and aggressive.
Finn said, where are the fish?
According to Wikipedia, they're going to be in the water probably most of the time. I keep an eye on the trees, man. You never know. Every now and again. I got bit over here earlier in this general vicinity, so there's probably at least one somewhere nearby. There's so much algae down there. We're hooked up. Oh, that's a good one too. That's a good one. That's a good one. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I got one.
Training order will go through. Dog balls. Said fish on. Finn said nice.
It's kind of like last week. Might be the same fish. All right. Here we go.
Said good looking bass GG. Finn said he has a big mouth.
He does. Oh, no. That hook is in there too. Come here. Oh, no, no, no. I'm taking my worm back. You can't have that. Thank you. So that's what we're after today, folks. That's a largemouth sunfish with a big ass belly. That's old mama fish right there. Let's get him in the sunlight. You thought you had a meal, but then you got by that 2-watt VMC swivel shot. Probably about 3 pounds. Look how fat boy girl or whatever.
Zero RT said nice weather perfect.
All right. So we're going to let her go.
Dog balls, said Fatty.
I don't know if y'all can see the release here. Give her a chance to revive. And then as she starts to kick, which is now, she gone. And that's what we're here for.
Said I found you through fishing, hunting, gumming chick, and am enjoying the content.
I appreciate that. My guy just got a fish, I think. You can't net the fish. Yeah.
Dog balls.
What you got?
Bagels.
Are you lying? Oh shit, we gotta go. Got the board out and everything. I don't think it wanted to go in that net. Oh my gosh, man.
The most effort I've seen.
Come here. Look at this guy. Well, there you go. Get the trophy size.
Dog balls, said nice bass.
Look at this, folks. Here we go.
Chunk. Fingers.
Were you using that lure right there?
Yeah.
You know those are earrings, right? Those aren't lures.
That's exactly why I threw it.
You want your phone back?
Yeah.
Because I don't think I can sell that for much profit. Move your finger.
You got it?
No.
Alright, let's get that release.
Let's get that release. Got to get the angles.
Alright, 5.3. Come on, girl, swim away.
So what's up? Well, at this point, you should just go home.
Why?
It's only going to get worse.
Nope.
Your GoPro was off.
Yeah.
Looks like you're still go amateur. Just like the pioneers, man. Using cameras and digital technology.
PB.
That's your PB? No, it's not. For the year. Oh, you're one of those people?
Yeah.
What, do you weigh your turds each year too?
What?
You weigh your turds?
Should.
You should. We'll get the drop shot back out and we'll see if we can't put something in front of something and see if that ain't something. We're hooked up. I'm glad I didn't. All right. Got me a small one. Alrighty. Man, this one's been through some stuff.
Said nice looking fish too.
Thank you.
Small boy you, dog balls. Said another nice belly.
Let's get the line out of your mouth there. Here we go. That fish has been through some stuff. Look how tore up his little sail is up here at the top. He's got some scars right here too. That fish has been through some stuff. You've seen a lot in your days, I bet. You've been through some wars. I'm sure of it. So we're gonna let him go here. You got your free lip piercing. I appreciate you hanging out for that whole experience. All right. He or she is now gone. Well, that was cool. If you're into cool things, at some point soon.
Duo Geonastic. Said I did twice. I want to make the drop shot work.
Yeah, I couldn't get it to work stock, but I spent one of my. Ooh. I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was, but I ain't hooking it. Took that worm.
Said Dan. Geonastic. Said turtles.
That's the turtle. You're right, Dookie. Thank you. I needed you to come in. Anyways, I don't know what my sensitivity would be like if I got bit out there. I don't think I'd be able to feel it. Probably just line go tight and then Hopefully I reel up to it to feel the difference. Oh, God, are you shitting me? Took my whole damn Kitech.
And bait will know.
God damn it. I lost my drop shot worm like 5 minutes ago. I just lost this. What the hell, man? I was kind of worried that I wouldn't be able to get the hook point out of them, but then I realized, well, shit, if they just pull the whole thing off, the hook's the only thing left. Shouldn't be too bad. All right, let's see if we can mess this up. Oh. Flawless. Yeah, that water's a little chilly.
Oh yeah, just a tidbit.
Not too bad. If you're in Alaska, it might even be warm. This one's got water in it. Yeah, boy.
Oh, beast mode.
I'm just saying, you can get things done or you can talk about it. And somewhere in the middle, you'll find me. Well, according to my calculations, should be good.